check out the Eflect from Dedolight.
LensVid's coverage of IBC 2024 is brought to you by Small Rig, Big Dreams, and Hollyland, made to inspire.
Hi, we're at IBC 2024 and we're at the Dedolight booth and we're talking to Alex. Hello, Alex.
Hi.
And you have some interesting product that I think you very recently released. So what can you tell us about it?
It released very recently. This product is only 5 years old. But this particular which I has in hands, it's 1 year old. It's dichroic version of the product like that. And this called Eflect, Effect Reflector, which is our contribution for the great heritage of the fantastic cinematographers of the end of the first half of last century. In Hollywood, it was called broken mirror, where people was gluing the mirror to the thick fabric and then knocking it with a hammer, and then using the gloves and using this mirror to make an effect. This one a bit more advanced, and you can bend it. This allows you to adjust the density of effect, which is basically allows you to get something what usually cinematographers and photographers obtaining with the cucaloris. Cucaloris is a piece of plywood with the regular cutoffs, and it's fantastic. It has several kind of specialties, like it's massively big. You have to have two heavy stands to lift it up, and then you have to have a next stand to lift up the light head above the cucaloris. It's becoming quite massive. It costs a lot of money and take a lot of efforts. This one you can hold in hands, and if we will be able to pan with the camera, then we slowly going to the light source, and then bouncing, we can pan back, and then we're getting some accent on the object, which looks a little bit like a sunlight. What is very important, that we can dim this light, we can bring some action to it, and we can also focus it. For instance, if I would love to have a portrait of Rick Young, you see, I can use it as a strange irregular structure. Or I can pronounce this effect less, and it now looks like a very soft bokeh. You see? No, we're making a portrait of you at this time with a video, So, and then, very important, when we're imitating this as a light coming through the leaves of the tree, I can add some movement to it just by moving fingers. And all of this is, I'm afraid to say, quite unique. So this one is a dichroic version, and we have so-called tropical blue. This is a blue color when it looks radical yellow on your shot. And again, because it's so now we have a tungsten. If you're using the white light, it's radical blue. So what is very amazing, and about 100 other developments we're doing, this one was a call for investigation. This dichroic surface is shifting the color properties of LED light, which basically has a dramatic gap in a deep red section, which is responsible for the skin tones of the human face, and it helps to minimize or to reduce the negative dramatic impact of this imperfection of LEDs to the footage you're obtaining. You can fix it with a standard reflector clamp. You can also motorize it, and then you have a gentle dynamic effect we can see on the background. It comes in all different sizes, up to 80 by 80, which is the most popular now in Hollywood and UK, as well in Germany. And then, of course, if you can plan, I can show you what you can do on a bigger size of the interior. and the pan makes sense to do over there, I will light there, and then I can make, it doesn't look very natural when it's coming. You see, it is becoming a little bit irregular, and then you, especially when you're combining several different types, and you kind of adding some movement, it's becoming the additional channel which through unconscious mind keeps attention of the audience much higher level than it can be done through the conscious mind. And it comes in the softbacks. It comes in different sizes, starting from 7 by 10 centimeters, 15 by 15, 25 by 25, 50 by 50, and 80 by 80. Comes in a soft bag, and I'm afraid this is it, what I have to say about it.
I think that was a very informative demonstration of the use of this Eflect, if I pronounce it correctly.
Eflect, yeah.
Eflect, Sylvia.
Effect reflection.
You heard it from the man. So, thank you. And thank you very much, Alex.
Pleasure.
And for all of you, don't forget to subscribe to LensVid.
Never forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Check out more videos from IBC on lensvid.com. See you in the next video.